Today our objectives is analyze at least 5 functions of sensory divisions of the peripheral nervous system and explain the structures of the motor division of the peripheral nervous system. This is a basic overview of the whole nervous system. So the nervous system divided by central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So last week, and we already covered the central nervous system. So today we're going to talk about the peripheral nervous system. So as we covered last week, the peripheral nervous system includes 2 divisions. One is the sensory division, another one is the motor divisions. Can you still remember the function of the 2 divisions? So what's the function of the sensory division? Okay. That's correct. Okay, so the sensory divisions hold the task to transform the impulses from the sensory organs to the central nervous system. And how about the motor divisions?
That's where the central nervous system sends impulses to muscles and organs.
Yeah, that's where the central nervous system transforms or transmits the impulses from the central nervous system to muscles or glands. So today on a later class, we are going to talk about more details about this nervous system. We're going to cover about the somatic nervous system and the autonomic. And below the autonomic nervous system is included sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the sensory divisions. So as the picture showed us here, the cranial nerves go through the schools of our brain, and coordinate with the spinal nerves. Remember, the spinal nerves have how many pairs? How many pairs of the spinal nerves on the spinal cord? Do you still remember what the number of the spinal nerves? How many pairs of the spinal nerves? Anyone?
You need to wait.
Yes,
It needs to be hole
31,
punched,
yeah.
so wait, okay.
31
Thank you.
spinal nerves. So the cranial nerves bring the message that originating from the brain or the nervous system and transform this message through the spinal cord. And then the spinal nerves and spread or transmit the message or impulses to muscles or glands. And then the sensory divisions include a lot of sensory receptors. All these different self-receptors, they hold the task to transmit the information about the change in the environment, both inside and outside. So this chart showed us a couple of the sensory receptors that we're going to cover in the senses. So please pay attention, and I'm going to ask your questions when we talk about the senses. So first of all, the chemoreceptors. So where are they located? You can answer the questions based on the chart. Anyone? Yeah, come on. So what response that the chemoreceptor give? The chemicals? Okay. So what type of the sensory receptors in the eyes, photoreceptors. So that give, the photoreceptors give you response to what source? Light, okay. So on the skin, which covers our whole body, and then the hair follicles, ears, and ligaments or tendons spread what kind of sensory receptors? The mechanoreceptors, right? So the mechanoreceptors give response to what? Yeah, touch, pressure, or vibration, these kind of actions. So how about the on the skin? There are about